Oh, are you?
Yeah.
I was kind of saying.
There's some on your ear, Dad.
Ew, mine. What about the other side, dude? Are you watching Daddy to make sure you're doing it right? You gotta do under your lips. You don't put it on your lips, you're gonna cut your lips.
Face.
Not face.
Wet on my shirt.